In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. And we are here at Genius Institute Lahore's platform today. And you're going to share your experiences about Genius Institute Lahore. And my experience has been a very different one, being the chief executive officer or the initiator or the founder of this institute. I have lots and lots of experiences regarding this institute, and students from far and wide, from whole Pakistan, they have been joining it. Some international students are also on our panel. They're being taught online classes. We are conducting spoken English courses, IELTS, PDE, Duolingo, and many more courses, Oxford courses. These all courses are important enough to make you successful if you want to study internationally. You want to go to student as a student visa or immigration or work permit to UK, Australia, Canada, America. It's a fantastic opportunity. So Genius Institute is my Genius Institute Lahore. It's my first love. I fell in love with this institute 2.5 decades before, and I'm impressed that you've been also with my team. Log milte gaye, karma banta gaya. Now it's a brand name, and people across the world know about this institution. And we are blessed to be here at Genius Institute Lahore today. And you will talk about your personalized experience, the way you have been experiencing the classroom and the teachers, the trainers, your classmates, everybody. So it's a big turnaround, and we are delighted that this day has arrived today when you are going to talk about your experiences. I will give you a chance to talk here and share your experience. Thank you very much, everybody. So, dear friends, Sumaya Khalil is our first presenter today. She would like to share her experiences. Please, here you go.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm here to share my experience at Genius Institute Lahore. First of all, I want to thank you, Sir Ane Sakib, to give me this opportunity. It is really an honorable moment for me to express my feelings here. Actually, my husband was in search of a best institute of Lahore for my IELTS training, and he came across about Genius Institute Lahore at Facebook. He got really impressed at the first moment, the video he watched there. Then he talked to me, discussed with me that what should we go, and I said that we should really give a chance to it, and we should do a visit here. Then we planned to visit here, and I was not got impressed by entering in this institute, but some moments before coming here, the it was the reason the street he decorated. The first time I entered the street, I just really everything was eye capturing. I got really impressed. Everything he decorated, not in the institute but outside here. And when I entered the institute, I met Sir Anis Sakib and talked to him. His personality was really good. I was got impressed, and captivating personality he has. The first time he talked to me in English, it was a wow moment for me. And it was the moment I decided that yes, I am coming here and to be like him and to get my accent fluent just like him. So at that moment, he became my mentor as well. And the classroom experience was also fascinating, and the activities held here are really engaging, and the classmates might help me so much at my first day. Everything is really professional here, and very impressive as well. The discipline here in class uh, is not only a job for students, but is also a responsibility of our teacher. And I noticed that he used to keep everything as so accurately, even the chairs, the accessories here in class, and I got really impressed by his this quality. Now I would like to tell about my trainer, Sir Anis Sakib. He is really passionate, enthusiastic, and dedicated person. He just want to see his students at the top of at the top of success. And he's a really passionate person. He trained us so well. There was some spark missing in me, and he enlightened it up, and he outbring every passion hidden in me out of me. He bring everything out of me, the potential, the confidence I got here. I think I have transformed so much, and I am we know that he used to say there is always a room of improvement, so I'm also willing to improve myself more and more here. And at the end, I just want to suggest everyone that you should come here and experience yourself with this fantastic environment here, and you will become so fluent in English language. And everyone who saw me not here live, but if anyone who watched my video, I just want to say that it's the best institute at Lahore to get your English best. And if you want proficient English and a fluent accent in English language, you should come here. You must come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Excellent for your opinion.
Assalamu alaikum. I was looking for a good institute where I can improve my English language skill. I was searching on Google, and Genius Institute catch my attention by its impressive review and course offering. I decided that I have to visit to the institute so I can better understand if this institute is good for me or not. The day I planned to visit, I felt both excited and curious. The management take time to clearly explain the course detail, institute value, and how they can help me to reach my goal. So I decided to get admission here in Genius Institute. My first classroom experience at the Genius Institute was very engaging and informative, and I realized that I will not learn English only here but also a lot of knowledge regarding different things. Our trainer, Sir Anis Sakib, are highly knowledgeable, always willing to go to extra mile to make sure we understand material very well. So this teacher not only transferring knowledge to the student but also shape their personal and professional growth. Sir Anis Sakib sometimes brings smile on our faces with his heart-touching poetry and funny jokes. My classmates at the Genius Institute are very cooperative and friendly, and we help each other in study. I would highly recommend Genius Institute to anyone who would like to have a good English accent and want to improve his English language. Thank you so much.
So, dear friends, Miss Amina would like to share her experience now.
Assalamu alaikum class, my name is Amna, and today I'm going to talk about my experience at Genius Institute Lahore. First of all, I would like to say I'm totally new here in this town as I belong to Gujarat city and I want to study abroad. That's why I came to Lahore and find a good institute like Genius. You guys are familiar with Lahore and its institutions and the academy system over here. In every street, there are 3 or 4 academies here, I must say. But to found a good academy or institute like Genius, it's difficult because of some quality assessments. And I just say, I talked to my friend one day, and his cousin suggested me to came here and talk to Sir.
Suggested me. Right.
Suggested
You're talking about
me.
the past now. Okay.
One of my friend's cousin suggested me to came here and visit the institute and know about the instructions and rules and fee structures as well. First of all, I call on Sir Saqib's number, and I had a conversation with him, and I decided to visit the institute first of all. And we met. Firstly, I when I came to institute, I met Sir Saqib in the door, at the door, and he was just begin his class, and then he decided to first of all talk to me, and we had some conversation about the fee structure, score bands, as well as the environment and the opportunity here, what we are going to experience and study. Sir Saqib maintained a good balance between girls and boys, I must say. Girls are separated. There are no frankness in boys and girls, I must say. Separated environment and comfortably sitting in the class is very important for girls always. Sir Saqib shared every minimal detail of classroom and structure of studying. Environment is very comfortable, and we studied every activity like presentation and accent training and different mock tests at the end of the weekend, and I like it very much. And lastly, I would say I highly recommend this institute for this perfect environment, giving to the students who are watching to brighten up their efficiency in English and also want to get IELTS test in the future. Thank you.
Highly obliged. Thank you for recommendation. Mr. Ismail.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna share about my experience at Genius Institute Lahore. To be honest, it was not very excellent. It was quite normal and quite good. I learned a lot of things from Sir Anas Saqib. His method of teaching is very good. I haven't seen any teacher taught with this method in my life. His method is very good. He teaches us like a father.
Thank God, not like a mother.
One thing I like most about Sir, they just not taught us English, but they also teaches us about the Deen, which is a very good thing. Which my mother also appreciate it that Sir teach Deen with also the English. I want to share about the experiences that Sir is a person that develop the skill in the person. For example, if I am coming for 2 months, I learn a lot of things and boost my skill in English. I learn a lot of new words from Sir Anas Saqib. My confidence is boosted in these 2 months, so I can say it is very fruitful to say that I learn good things for the Genius Institute Lahore, and it will be better in the future whenever I go outside of the country. Thank you very much, Sir Anas.
Miss Tayyiba, now the next presenter.
Today, I'm excited to share you with my transformative journey at Genius Institute Lahore, a place that has not only enhanced my English skills but also enriched my understanding of life. It's all began when a friend glowing recommendation led me to this institute, the best institute in Lahore, renowned for its exceptional arts and spoken English courses. With my family's encouragement, I decided to explore it further and was immediately impressed by the management professionalism. I am currently enrolled in spoken English course in Genius Institute Lahore. This was designed not only improve my English skills but also build confidence with me. The classroom atmosphere was vibrant, with activities that made learner to both effective and enjoyable. My experience at Genius Institute Lahore is more than just a course. It was a journey of self development and growth. Under the guidance of Sir Anas Saqib, a mentor who brought wisdom and inspiration in every lesson. The discipline environment kept us focused and driven. I recommended to all of uh, all of you to anyone seeking growth. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is in great health. Well, today I'm going to share you about my experience at Genius Institution. I came to know about at this institution when I was studying in PGC. I was on my way to home when I noticed that there was that I couldn't help to notice that there was an institution for English, the institution for English language. I had a plan for a long time that I would complete my bachelor degree from abroad, but I had my current studies to complete. But after completing my studies, I decided to pay my visit to this institute, and after meeting with staff, which was lovely and kind, the assistant told me about the institute, so I decided to get self-enroll in it. On my first day, I had thought that the institution will be like the same other institute, but my first impression was changed when Sir Sakib came into the room and lightened up the environment. He was so energetic and enthusiastic, and encouraged students throughout his lectures. He teaches us in an exceptional way that embark on our soft skills. The specialty about this institution that exposes students by putting different obstacles and difficulties in front of us that enhances our ability to enhances our confidence and creativity. This is my experience at Genius Institution.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope that you all are fine. Today I want to share my experience at the Genius Institute, Lahore. When I done my APC, so I was searching best institute for spoken and arts. So I searched in Google the best institute in Lahore. So the Genius in the first institute, number one institute in Lahore, and I really impressed for his rating is 4.9. So I decide and then I share my ideas with my parents. So my fathers always support my ideas, and then we decide to visit the Genius Institute, Lahore.
It's important that your parents are giving you the confidence required. Sometimes you are giving an opinion or expressing your personal experience to your parents. They understand you and they give you a positive response. In this way, you feel more encouraged and your outlook to life and the outer world become even stronger. And you believe in God and yourself also increases. So the parents should understand and try to listen to their sons and daughters, right? The way I'm listening to you patiently here today.
When we come here, we met Sir N.A. Sakib sir, and I really impressed when we talk about spoken arts, and Sir N.A. Sakib sir, we talk about the best band of arts. So now I really improve my English, spoken English, and the Genius Institute.
You're from KPK.
Yeah.
All right.
And
This
the last-
gentleman has specially come down from KPK and to study language here at Genius Institute Lahore. He's also residing in our institute's kind of hostel where he lives and he is continuously learning language being there. Now, the day he came here, he was different. Now he has gained a lot of confidence and is speaking in front of you, everybody here in the class. This is a big challenge which people have to meet, but ultimately, when they are in practice, they also meet this challenge very handsomely. Thank you. Would like to say something more?
In the last, I will highly recommended you to come here and improve your English because genius make you genius.
Genius makes you genius. It's honorable to be here. It makes you genius. I asked the girl to pronounce it. Genius makes you genius. She uttered these words. मैंने कहा next भी बोलो कहने कि it's horrible to be. मैं कहा it's not horrible, honorable. Oh my God, she forgot it. But such zuban पर फिर आ गया. Oh my God, that's great. Thank lovely Mr. Shahid. Really impressive. Very good. Shabash. Ta.
Good morning, everyone. Today, the topic of presentation experience, my experience at Genius Institute. Actually, I was searching a good institute for arts at the Google, and the institute which is most nearest to my house. Then I came to across Genius Institute. Then we decided to visit the institute. When I visited the institute, sir,
Visited.
when I visited the institute, sir,
You visited with somebody. Who was that? You came together. Who was that?
sir, he is my brother.
Okay, great. Lovely.
Me and my brother visited the institute. We met the Sir N.A. Saqib. He was very impressed from you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm so lucky that I'm impressed people.
Before Genius, I had visited 3 institutes, but I was not satisfied. I was not satisfied with the environment, with the management. When I visit the Genius Institute, I am really impressed from the sir, from the environment. Then I decided to take the admission here, and I highly recommend to everyone who's want to proficient in English and fluent in English. He or she must be join the Genius Institute.
Right. What are the activities which we are practicing here and they are transforming in nature?
A lot of activities like presentations, conversations, and the examples you got us from the Holy Quran and from the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay. The methodology of your trainer, what would you say about it?
It
The
is
methodology of teaching.
it is perfect.
MashaAllah.
It is really perfect and impressive, sir.
Thank you very much. Anything more you would like to say?
Nothing.
It's all right. Thank you very much. Miss Madiha was the presenter. She talked about her personal experience. Miss Maham now.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am happy to share my experience Genius Institute Lahore. It was a great time that helped me grow and improve. When I joined the institute, I felt welcome, me supported the teacher. They were knowledgeable and passionate about teacher, making it easy for me to learn. The teaching. These classes were interesting and interactive, helping me to improve my English skill. I become more confident in speaking, writing, understanding the language. The teacher were always there to guide and encourage me to help believe in myself and full potential. I am very grateful for my time at Genius Institute. I was valuable experience that helped me to grow and success.
Oh, that's great. Thank you very much. God.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you are doing well and excelling very well in your work. So my today's presentation topic is my experience at Genius Institute. So first of all, how I came to across about
I came across.
I came across to know about this institute by Google. Like I searched about the different spoken English institutes in Lahore, and I saw the Genius Institute name at the tops out of the top 12 number at the second number. So I told my father about this institute, and we discussed about this institute. And after 2 days, we visit here and talk
Visited here.
visited here and talk with Sir Saqib. Like he really motivate us and told us about this institute, like what courses they offer to the students. After my visiting, I joined this institute at 2nd of August, and I met with my Miss Noor. She taught us about the grammar, presentation, accent classes,
Conversation
and
classes.
conversation classes. And the environment is also very comfortable here, and discipline is also very good here. Like we can share anything and solve any query about our topic with our teachers. If you have any question, like we told the sir, our teacher, he told the answer of this question and teach us what's the answer of this question. And at the end of my presentation, I want to say that like this institute is really very good for the spoken English core, for improving your language and learning many more new things. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Today I would like to discuss about my experience at Genius Institute. When I cleared my intermediate exam, I decided to take IELTS preparation. Then I searched a lot, but I couldn't understand where to go. After consulting with a friend recommendation, she recommended me the Genius Institute of Lahore. Then I decided to discuss it with my parents, and they granted me permission to visit and explore the opportunity. So I'm very happy and excited. The same time to visit the institute. The day I visit, I had detailed discussion with Sir Saqib about my strength and weakness. Then Sir provided me guidance and clarify all my doubts. And I took the admission form. I was very impressed with the management of Genius Institute of Lahore, finding them to professional, organized, and sportive. I highly recommend the Genius Institute for Lahore for IELTS preparation due to the excellent management and sportive teachers. Thank you, sir.
It's Genius Institute Lahore, not of Lahore. Genius Institute Lahore. Great. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, who the most merciful and the benefitous, respected teachers and my class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are all fine. First of all, I'm very thankful, Sir N.A. Saqib, for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this institute. I have completed intermediate from Bahawalpur. Now I live in Lahore, and I still have time for intermediate result. So I thought I should improve my English. I researched many institutes, but I don't understand. I told my father, and very next day he told me about the Genius Institute. Now that it's quite good and had been around for a long time, and it's near our house and will be easy to go. After getting enough information, I took admission in Genius Institute, and I like it very much. After admission, first you are placed in basic class, and after some improvement, you are replaced in advanced class. Yesterday, I got promoted in this class, and this is my first presentation in this class. I have made a lot of improvement in myself, yet my 1 month isn't even complete. I hope that I will improve with me. Discipline is also good. If there is a problem in any topic, you can easily ask your teacher.
And thank you very much. Very good. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. I have completed intermediate from Aspire Group of College and now I live in Lahore and I still have time for intermediate results, so I thought I would improve my English. I researched many institute I will not understand who is the best, but my father told me about the Genius Institute, that it is quick cook and has been around for a long time, and it's near old house and will be easy to go. After getting information, I took admission at Genius Institute and I like it very easy. After admission, first we are placed in basic classes and after some improvement we are placed in advanced class. I have made a lot of improvement in myself, yet my 1 month isn't even complete. I hope that I will improve with time. Discipline is also good. If there is a problem in only topic, we can easily understand your teacher. Now the name of the one who teaches me is N.A. Saqib teacher. I think if there was any other name is English, it will be Sir Saqib. I really recommended suggestion. You will get to learn a lot here and you can take admission in different courses. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Start.
Good morning, friends. In the name of Allah, who is the more beneficent and the merciful. Today, my presentation topic is my experience of Genius Institute. I want to become a lawyer, and my English is weak. I am improve my English, and I decided to course for spoken, and I want to source. I want to make many sources and search for Google's for best institute. In this struggle, my search told me about the Genius Institute. After my search information of Genius Institute, I discussed my parents, and he came to know the Genius Institute. After arrive in Genius Institute, I located a building and met with Sir N.A. Saqib. Sir N.A. Saqib is also sportive and he also sporty. My pupo met for Sir N.A. Saqib. And he was a good teacher.
He was a good teacher.
गलत बोल.
Now he has passed away.
No. He is a good teacher. वो नहीं आना. Sorry sir. He is a good teacher.
तो इसी नु आवाज ही कर देता है.
सर जी कंफ्यूज ना करें. He is a good teacher. मुझे कंफ्यूज ना करें.
Thank you very much. Very good. Dear friends, it was very interesting. Some of the students spoke really positively. Some students have been moderate. But it's all up to you to decide what you are doing here and how transformation. Actually, we aim at your transformation. We want to change you. We want to lift you from basic to the intermediate level, from intermediate to the great grand level, advanced level, I mean to say. And then you keep on working hard and changing your current status. And you reach up to a level when you can say with pride that you can speak English confidently and fluently. Here at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore, we give you everything which is possible to give. The platform is here. The presentations are given here for your personal growth and your development. We also give you an opportunity of conversational practice. It also improves your language. We also teach you the grammar in the grammar section. Sometimes you are given the freedom time, or the gossip time, to be more exact. And in this way, you actually talk to each other fluently and confidently. So if you're a basic learner, we send you the basic class, then you are transported, or rather transferred to a next level of the advanced class. And here you find things in a different way where you are being recorded, and it's all about your uplift of your communication skill, which we are looking forward to, which we are targeting here. So thank you very much, everybody. May Allah bless you all. Thank you.